In a significant move related to the Trump administration's stricter immigration policies, a US military aircraft landed at Amritsar's Sri Guru Ramdas Ji International Airport on 5th of February, Wednesday. The plane carried 104 Indian migrants who had been deported from the US, marking the first batch of deportations since the US government ramped up its crackdown on illegal immigration. The deportees were primarily from the Indian states of Punjab, Haryana, and Gujarat. Among them were 19 women and 13 minors, all of whom were reportedly shackled during their long flight back to India. The deportees underwent the necessary processing at the airport before being allowed to reunite with their families. Congress MPs Manickam Tagore and Gurjeet Singh Aujla criticized the manner in which the deportations were carried out, calling it disrespectful.
It's very painful and humiliating to see Indians being chained and brought back to India. We had become more powerful under Modi ji's 56-inch chest. Why that he is so silent when he has not seen the Indians being insulted like this? Why this government is just keeping silent? Humiliating them, inhuman behavior is unacceptable. Therefore, we want a statement from the Jaishankar ji, who speaks everything. When opposition speaks, they think that we are insulted India. This is not an insult for India. Mr. Jaishankar must make a statement in Parliament. We will raise it in the Parliament.
जिस तरीके से वो लेके आए वो तरीका बहुत गलत है, क्योंकि उन्होंने ह्यूमिलेट किया है। यूएस आर्मी का प्लेन था और उसमें हाथ में भी चेन लगी हुई थी, लॉक किया हुआ था, और पैर को भी लॉक किया हुआ था, लाइक ए क्रिमिनल। ने पहले तो पता नहीं था, लेकिन जब तस्वीरें सामने आई उनकी, जो बैठे हुए थे बच्चे, तो बड़ी शर्म की बात लगी, क्योंकि वो कोई वहां उन्होंने बहुत बड़ा क्राइम नहीं किया है। वो इलीगल है, ठीक है, हमारी गवर्नमेंट है। जब उन्होंने गवर्नमेंट वहां रखनी नहीं है, उनको कोई वहां सजा नहीं है, तो हमारे देश में भेजने, तो हमारे देश का फर्ज बनता था कि ये उनसे बात करके अपना कमर्शियल फ्लाइट भेज देते।
One deportee's family member expressed concern, stating that they had not been informed about their loved one's deportation.
मैंने कोई कीधु ये नहीं, कहीं नहीं, हमारी मत फोन ही नहीं थियो, को बात ही नहीं थी, कहीं करिए नहीं। आतर बतो कोई એટલે ખબર પડી પઈને કમન ખબર જ નહીં.
Another family member shared their distress, saying that their relative had gone to the US 6 or 7 months ago after selling land to afford the journey.
ਹੁਣ 15 ਕਿ ਦਿਨ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਟੱਪਿਆ ਸੀ ਕੰਧ, ਬਸ 15 ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਫਿਰ ਫੋਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਇਆ। ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਅੱਜ ਵੀ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਜੀ ਆ ਗਏ। ਜ਼ਮੀਨ ਜਮੂਨ ਵੇਚ ਕੇ ਹੀ ਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਜੀ, ਖਰਚਾ ਆ ਗਿਆ 41 ਲੱਖ ਰੁਪਈਆ ਜੀ। ਬਾਕੀ ਕਰਜ਼ਾ ਕੁਰਜ਼ਾ ਵੀ ਹੈਗਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ, ਹੁਣ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਆ ਕੀ ਬਣਦਾ ਜੀ।
The deportations come at a time of rising tensions between the United States and India, especially as Prime Minister Narendra Modi prepares for talks with President Trump in Washington. The deportation move coincided with President Trump's announcement of a mass deportation policy for illegal immigrants. The issue of immigration was discussed during a phone call last week between PM Modi and Trump, where Trump also emphasized the importance of India purchasing more US-made security equipment and ensuring fair bilateral trade. While the Indian government has cooperated with the US and agreed to accept the deported individuals after proper verification, officials are reportedly preparing for the return of as many as 18,000 undocumented Indian nationals from the US in the coming months.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.